My topic is market planning in detail. Explain. Let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy and goals. It typically includes information on target market demographics, customer needs, and competitors, as well as a plan for how the company will reach and engage with its target audience. The plan may also include details on the budget, metrics for measuring success, and a timeline for implementing the plan. A good marketing plan should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure that it stays aligned with the company's overall goals and objectives. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy for a specific period of time, typically a year. It includes details on the target market, positioning, competitive analysis, marketing mix, product, price, place, promotion, budget, and metrics for measuring success. The plan should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure it stays aligned with the company's goals and the changing market conditions. A well-executed marketing plan can help a business increase sales, build brand awareness, and achieve long-term growth. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy for a specific period of time. It typically includes a market analysis, target audience identification, goals and objectives, budget, and specific tactics to achieve those goals. The plan should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. Key components of a marketing plan include executive summary, situational analysis, target market, objectives and goals, marketing strategies, action plan, budget and metrics. A marketing plan is a crucial tool for any business, and it is a must-have for any business looking to grow and succeed. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy, including goals, target audience, messaging, and tactics for achieving those goals. It typically includes a situation analysis, market research, SWOT analysis, market segmentation, and a budget. The plan is used to guide the company's marketing efforts and to measure the success of those efforts. It is often reviewed and updated on a regular basis to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy for a specific period of time. It typically includes information on target customers, product or service offerings, competitive analysis, marketing budget, and specific tactics for reaching marketing goals. The purpose of a marketing plan is to provide a roadmap for a company to follow in order to achieve its marketing objectives. It is an important tool for businesses of all sizes, as it helps to ensure that resources are allocated effectively and that marketing efforts are aligned with overall business goals. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy and tactics. It typically includes information on target markets, competitive analysis, market research, and specific marketing goals and objectives. The plan may also include details on budget, tactics such as advertising, promotions, public relations, and sales efforts, as well as metrics for measuring the success of the plan. The process of creating a marketing plan typically involves researching the market, identifying target audiences, and developing strategies to reach those audiences effectively. The plan should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. A marketing plan is a comprehensive document or blueprint that outlines a company's overall marketing efforts. It details the target market, marketing mix, product, price, promotion, place, sales forecast, and specific strategies and tactics for achieving marketing goals. The plan should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure it remains aligned with the overall business strategy and objectives. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing efforts. It typically includes information on target market, marketing goals, strategies, and tactics, as well as a budget and timeline for implementation. The plan should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure it stays aligned with the company's overall goals and objectives, and to take into account any changes in the market or industry. A well-crafted marketing plan can help a business to effectively reach and engage its target audience, and ultimately drive sales and growth. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy for a specific time period. It typically includes information on target customers, market analysis, competitive landscape, marketing goals and objectives, and specific tactics to achieve those goals. A marketing plan is an important tool for businesses to use in order to stay on track with their marketing efforts and ensure they are using their resources effectively to reach their target audience. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy for a specific time period. It typically includes details on target market, positioning, marketing mix, product, price, place, promotion, budget, and metrics for measuring success. The plan should also include a SWOT analysis of the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. The goal of a marketing plan is to identify and communicate the steps the company will take to achieve its marketing objectives. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy and goals. It typically includes information on target markets, positioning, messaging, budget, and tactics for reaching and engaging with customers. A marketing plan can be used as a roadmap for executing marketing efforts, and can help a company stay focused on its goals and measure its progress over time. Some key elements of a marketing plan include: executive summary, a brief overview of the plan; situation analysis, a review of the company's current market position, including information on customers, competitors, and industry trends; target markets, a description of the specific groups of customers the company will be focusing on; positioning, how the company will position itself in the market, for example low cost, high quality, etc. Marketing mix, a description of the company's product or service offerings, as well as its pricing, promotion, and distribution strategies. Implementation, a plan for executing the marketing strategy, including specific tactics and timelines. Budget, an estimate of the resources required to execute the plan. Control, a system for measuring and evaluating the plan's effectiveness. Overall, a marketing plan is a crucial tool for any business to outline, track and measure their marketing efforts and grow their business. What is a marketing plan? A marketing plan is a document that lays out the marketing efforts of a business in an upcoming period, which is usually a year. It outlines the marketing strategy, promotional, and advertising activities planned for the period. Marketing objectives of the business. The objectives should be attainable and measurable. 2 goals associated with SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Current business marketing positioning, an analysis of the current state of the organization concerning its marketing positioning. Market research, detailed research about current market trends, customer needs, industry sales volumes, and expected direction. Outline of the business target market, business target market demographics. Marketing activities, a list of any actions concerning marketing goals that are scheduled for the period and the indicated timelines. Marketing mix, a combination of factors that may influence customers to purchase products. It should be appropriate for the organization and will largely be centered on the 4 Ps of marketing, i.e., product, price, promotion, and place. Competition, identify the organization's competitors and their strategies, along with ways to counter competition and gain market share. Marketing strategies, the development of marketing strategies to be employed in the coming period. These strategies will include promotional strategies, advertising, and other marketing tools at the disposal of the organization. Marketing budget, a detailed outline of the organization's allocation of financial resources to marketing activities. The activities will need to be carried out within the marketing budget. Monitoring and performance mechanism, a plan should be in place to identify if the marketing tools in place are bearing fruit or need to be revised based on the past, current, and expected future state of the organization, industry, and the overall business environment. A marketing plan should observe the 80-20 rule, i.e., for maximum impact, it should focus on the 20% of products and services that account for 80% of volumes and the 20% of customers that bring in 80% of revenue. Purpose of a marketing plan: to clearly define the marketing objectives of the business that align with the corporate mission and vision of the organization. The market account for 80% of volumes and the 20% of customers that bring in 80% of revenue. Objectives of the business that align with the corporate mission and vision of the organization. The marketing objectives indicate where the organization wishes to be at any specific period in the future. The marketing plan usually assists in the growth of the business by stating appropriate marketing strategies, such as plans for increasing the customer base. State and review the marketing mix in terms of the 8 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, and performance. Strategies to increase market share, enter new niche markets, and increase brand awareness are also encompassed within the marketing plan. The marketing plan will contain a detailed budget for the funds and resources required to carry out activities indicated in the marketing plan. The assignment of tasks and responsibilities of marketing activities is well enunciated in the marketing plan. The identification of business opportunities and any strategies crafted to exploit them is important. A marketing plan fosters the review and analysis of the marketing environment, which entails market research, customer needs assessment, competitor analysis, pest analysis, studying new business trends, and continuous environmental scanning. A marketing plan integrates business functions to operate with consistency, notably sales, production, finance, human resources, and marketing. Marketing plan objectives. This section outlines the expected outcome of the marketing plan with clear, concise, realistic, and attainable objectives. It contains specific targets and time frames. Metrics, such as target market share, the target number of customers to be attained, penetration rate, usage rate, sales volumes targeted, etc. should be used. Market research, market analysis/consumer analysis. Market analysis includes topics such as market definition, market size, industry structure, market share and trends, and competitor analysis. Consumer analysis includes the target market demographics and what influences their buying decisions, for example, loyalty, motivation, and expectation. Target market. This defines the target customers by their demographic profile, such as gender, race, age, and psychographic profile, such as their interests. This will assist in the correct marketing mix for the target market segments. SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis will look at the organization's internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. SWOT analysis includes the following. Strengths are the organization's competitive advantages that are not easily duplicated. They represent the skills, expertise, and efficiencies that an organization possesses over its competitors. Weaknesses are impediments found in the operations of an organization, and they stifle growth. These can include outdated machinery, inadequate working capital, and inefficient production methods. Opportunities are prospects for growth in the business through the adoption of ways to take advantage of the chances. They could include entry into new markets, adopting digital marketing strategies, or following new trends. Threats are external factors that can affect the business negatively, such as a new powerful competitor, legislative changes, natural disasters, or political situations. Marketing strategy. The marketing strategy section covers actual strategies to be included according to the marketing mix. The strategy centers on the 8 Ps of marketing. However, firms are also at liberty to use the traditional 4 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. The 8 Ps are illustrated below. The correct marketing mix is determined by the target market. The most expensive options are advertising, sales promotions, and PR campaigns. Networking and referrals are less costly. Marketers also need to pay attention to digital marketing strategies that make use of technology to reach a wider market and have also proven to be cost-effective. Digital marketing channels, which became popular in the early 21st century, may eventually overtake traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing encompasses trending methods, such as the use of social media for business. Other strategies within the marketing strategy include pricing and positioning strategy, distributio strategy, conversion strategy, and retention strategy. Marketing budget. The marketing budget or projection outlines the budgeted expenditure for the marketing activities documented in the marketing plan.
The marketing budget consists of revenues and costs stated in the marketing plan in one document. It balances expenditures on marketing activities and what the organization can afford. It's a financial plan of marketing activities to be carried out, for example, promotional activities, cost of market, activities to be carried out, for example, promotional activities, cost of marketing materials and advertising, and so on. Other considerations include expected product volume and price, production and delivery costs, and operating and financing costs. The effectiveness of the marketing plan depends on the budget allocated for marketing expenditure. The cost of marketing should be able to make the company break even and make profits. Performance analysis. Performance analysis aims to look at the variances of metrics or components documented in the marketing plan. Revenue variance analysis, an analysis of positive or negative variance of revenue. A negative variance is worrisome, and reasons should be available to explain the cause of deviations. Market share analysis, an analysis of whether the organization attained its target market share. Sales may be increasing whilst the organization's share of the market is decreasing, hence, it is paramount to track this metric. Expense analysis, an analysis of marketing expense to sales ratio. This ratio needs to be compared to industry standards to make informed comparisons. The ratio enables the organization to track actual expenditures versus the budget. It is also paired to other metrics, such as revenue analysis and market share analysis. It can be dissected into individual expenditures to sales to get a clearer picture. Administration of a marketing plan. The marketing plan should be revised and adapted to changes in the environment periodically. The use of metrics, budgets, and schedules to measure progress towards the goals set in the marketing plan is a continuous process by marketing personnel. There should be a continuous assessment to verify the
goals of the marketing plan are being achieved. The marketing manager should be able to review if the strategies documented are being effective, given the operating environment. It is irrational for the marketing manager to notice anomalies, and changes in the environment may necessitate a review of plans, projections, strategies, and targets. Therefore, a formal periodical review, such as monthly or quarterly, may need to be in place. This may mean preparing an annual marketing plan but reviewing the plan quarterly to keep targets and plans aligned closely to environmental changes. It goes without saying that plans are as good as their feasibility to succeed in the given environment. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.